Welcome to our channel. Understanding your GPA and how to locate it on your transcript is important for college applications and scholarship eligibility. Follow these step-by-step instructions to find and calculate your GPA. Step 1. Request your official transcript from your high school's guidance counselor or registrar's office. Most schools provide both physical copies and digital versions through student portals. Step 2. Locate the GPA section on your transcript. This is typically displayed prominently at the top or bottom of the document and may show multiple GPA types: cumulative, weighted, and unweighted. Step 3. Understand the difference between weighted and unweighted GPA. Unweighted GPA uses a 4.0 scale treating all classes equally, while weighted GPA gives extra points for honors, AP, or IB courses. Step 4. If your transcript doesn't clearly display your GPA, you'll need to calculate it manually. List all your courses and final grades from all completed semesters. Step 5. Convert letter grades to the standard 4.0 scale. A equals sign 4.0, comma, B equals sign 3.0, comma, C equals sign 2.0, comma, D equals sign 1.0, comma, F equals sign 0.0. Some schools use plus and minus grades with corresponding values like A equals sign 3.7 or B plus equals sign 3.3. Step 6. Multiply each grade value by the course's credit hours. For example, if you earned an A 4.0 in a 3-credit class, the result is 12 quality points. Step 7. Add up all quality points earned and divide by the total number of credit hours attempted. For example, 45 quality points divided by 12 credit hours equals a 3.75 GPA. Step 8. Note your class rank if included on the transcript. This shows your academic standing compared to classmates and is often presented as rank X of Y students or as a percentile. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.